Hey, all right. So we are known as the Adobe Saturday crew. One of the things how that came about is we get together every Saturday, us four, and we talk about or teach each other something in an Adobe product, whether it be Premiere, After Effects, Illustrator, Photoshop. It just doesn't matter. Anything new that we learn, we'll teach it to each other. So that's kind of how we came about. And so with this project, what we were thinking about was, hey, we all want to do this to get to become Adobe Creative Educators. So we decided to do the project together. Why not? We are educators who teach and talk about and promote Adobe products all the time and use them in our classroom. So this was just a great idea to do. So each of us contributed in various ways to this project. And that's pretty much how this came about.
As a digital art teacher, I'm constantly looking for new and innovative ways to present the content to my students. I give them information using animation, using video, using audio, as well as graphics. My students are constantly using their own creativity in creating the assignments that they're given.
Hi, my name's Sjaani. As an Adobe Creative Educator, I bring creativity into my instructional practice and student experience through trial and error. We explore options and experiment with ideas and solutions until we reach a desired outcome. In the online teaching environment, I also bring creativity through dressing up as a character using Adobe Character Animator. This allows the kids and adults to see we don't always have to be serious in class. It creates a more relaxed environment where students are willing to give things a go and not be afraid of failure.
Hi, my name is Andrea, also known as Happy Teach. As an Adobe educator, one way that I bring creativity and stuff into my classroom is I always, my character is Happy Teach, so I have a motto. And because I teach graphic design and web design, using that character and the motto keeps the students interested in whatever it is that I'm teaching. Another way that I bring creativity is no matter what I'm teaching, I always dress the part of that. So if it's Adobe Illustrator, then I am in all orange. I'm in the Illustrator shirt. I have Illustrator socks. I'll just come in with like Illustrator craziness, like a hat and stuff like that to emphasize. One of the things I add into the creative assignments is pretty much whatever is happening. For instance, this semester we're running a t-shirt shop and the students, if they want, can go to Etsy, they can start an account so that when they leave my class, they also have something that they can continue. That's a business, that's profitable to them. So I always try to figure out how to add creativity. I always try to figure out whatever trends, whatever the latest thing is happening or that's going on. I stay up with that so that I can bring that into my classroom.
Hi, I'm Anissa, and I'm an Adobe Creative Educator. In my classroom, I take a programming perspective. As a web developer, graphic designer, I always take the approach that there is something to learn and there's a problem to solve. Whether it's coding, whether it's graphic design, whether it's creating content for yearbooks or publications or posters, whatever the case is, we always take the approach that it should be a problem-solving opportunity. And so in that, I always encourage pair programming, which is students collaborating, working together, and approaching the solution from a shared communicative prospect. And in that, they're learning how to support each other, how to communicate with each other, and learn from each other. And I think the learning process should never be just dependent upon what the teacher has to present. So I hope that is a helpful perspective for bringing creativity into your classroom.
Bob, Anissa, Sjaani, and Andrea, that is the Adobe Saturday crew.